Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and in this video I would like to continue with the very powerful series of videos I create to this channel to serve the community and to expose you to the truth behind the mistakes traders do, and mainly to offer you my solution to the cases. As always, I share with you only my solutions. If you have any other opinion or any other better solution for other traders, please feel free to do a favor or serve to others and share your solution and your views, your comments in our comment section below this video. Your help is very much appreciated. So in this video, I would like to talk about the next very serious mistakes traders do and to offer you my solutions to that. If you missed the other videos, then this is a playlist of all the mistakes traders do. Feel free to explore the ones that are related to you and the things you do in your trading and hear me out with my solutions. In this video, I want to talk about not putting the time and effort to get education. A terrible mistake that most traders do, and later or sooner they come to the conclusion and understanding that without a proper education, they cannot really become traders. So right before I will talk about all the characteristics of this mistake and this problem, if you are new to this channel, welcome to our great community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Just please follow the subscribe button below the video and remember to enable the notifications. And also, I would like to invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club, and you can find the link to do so below this video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. Now let's talk about this problem, not getting education. Okay, or let's say not putting the time and the effort to get proper education. Now, why it is a problem? I want you to stop for a second and to think about it. Can you drive without taking the driving lessons and practice hours and hours with your teacher first of all, then with your supervisor, starting from the very, in the neighborhood roads, then going in a, let's say, a hardcore road. But can you drive without really taking the right lessons and put tons of hours of practice? Can you solve a case as a lawyer before going hours and hours and hours getting educated about the law and how to deal with that, right? Can you ride a bike without sitting on a bike, falling, sitting again, falling, sitting, falling, etc., etc., etc.? No, you can. Okay, and if you think about it, okay, that's what beginners do in trading, and this is sort of ridiculous. Why would trading be different? Most traders jump in the trading world, the beginners, without even understanding who against whom, who are the players, the basic terms like the spread, where to buy, how to buy, what is a sell, volume, lot size, percentage of the risk, money management, etc., etc., etc. So without all that, they just jump and they just buy. Oh, I heard someone is buying, I heard a friend is buying. This one looks like it has room to go up, or this one went up too much, it's time to sell, etc., etc. So they are trying to trade, risk their money on something they have no idea about. Okay, and what's the problem here? That eventually it will lead you on giving up. Why? Because you're not a kid anymore, you're an adult with responsibilities, with who wants to lose money, right? And that's why the way I said you're not a kid, because as a kid, if you remember, the kid doesn't know the word no, or doesn't know the fear, or doesn't care of failing because nothing to lose, just to get better experience. And when a kid starts to walk, it will fall, they will fall like, I don't know, thousands of times until they will actually go and make it. Okay, and then they go and improve and they start to run, and then they want a bike, and then they etc. etc. They always look to improve, but it always starts with the very, very first attempt to do that. Get this, the education, go and do that, not just click the button. You have your parent next to you showing you, right? You are holding some, as a kid, you are holding at the beginning some stool or some frame of something just to get your balance. Then you let it go. You are trying, you are holding it, etc. You got my point. So that's ridiculous that traders jump in this market without doing so. From my point of view, it's a terrible mistake, and it's a big problem. Now, I want you to take a look on this very image, right? I assume that most of you, the viewers, would relate to this scenario in any stage of your trading life. Most traders, what all they care about is someone or something to tell them when to buy, when to sell, what to buy, what to sell, and mainly where to buy and to sell, right? And they could spend the best of their time trying millions of softwares, of systems, or signal providers, or robots, or whatsoever. Just tell me what, tell me when, tell me how, okay? Or tell me where, but why and how to do it by yourself, how many people really care? Later or sooner, those who fall in this trap, assuming they didn't give up, if you don't give up after failing in trying to find the easy solutions, then you already belong to the better part of those who have chance to become traders. But if you will continue to do that, then I guarantee you'll just dig your hole deeper. And the first way to get out of a hole is to stop digging. Okay, if you keep digging, the hole just gets bigger. You can get out of the hole and understand why things happen the way they do, how they happen, when they happen. This is crucial if you want to give yourself a fair chance one day to be a trader. From my point of view, once again, it's an extremely popular mistake. I'm pretty confident to say most of you who watch this video can relate to that. I myself was there. I was in love with the idea that there is some holy grail somewhere, somehow, to be found or to be created. After years of doing that, I can tell you one clear thing: there is no holy grail. There is no easy solution. There is no fast road to success in anything in life. In anything in life. And if you watch Instagram traders that just show you, we just bought NFT, the crypto, and the euro dollar, and we just made blah, 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 blah. Welcome to the illusion world. Illusion world. We all know these guys. I heard a guy, my friend knows a guy. Who is this guy? Who really ever saw this guy? Maybe there is one guy that you may really met or heard about and actually had a chance to really meet in life. But for most of the cases, there is no the guy. There is just a story. There is just an illusion. And there is just a place that they wish to put their hands on your money, your hard-earned money. So wake up from this call and better think about a solution to this problem. The good part, like in any other problem or any other mistake, is first of all to understand there is a problem and understand that without proper education, you cannot buy or sell any financial assets or become a trader in a bigger stage, you simply cannot do that without a proper education. You simply cannot. No one can, unless you are sort of a genius. But if you want to do it the right way, then you have to learn how to do it the right way. It's that simple. The good solution is that nowadays you are lucky, because long time ago, when I started my journey, I sound like a dinosaur now, I hope not. When I started my journey, the sources were much more limited. Nowadays, you have tons of great material, free stuff and paid stuff. And here is something I want you to hear, and maybe not many traders would want to tell you that, but as a beginner, complete beginner, you don't rush to spend your money on something, especially if it's like the fast promising things to make you money. And of course, be aware of scammers. Beware of scammers, because the internet is full of these people who just want your money without delivering nothing. So the good thing is, the YouTube, even my channel, my own channel, is full of material that are good to start with. But don't start on step number 100. Start with step number 1, understanding where are you really are going. If it's the Forex market, then what is the Forex market? Take it step by step, learn all the terms. Look, don't try to skip step 10, step 20, step 50, step 100, and think about, oh, that's all, now I'm a trader. Don't think that if you watch in one day 100 of videos, you would become a trader. It's not going to work like that, because after every theoretical part, you have to put hours of effort to really go and practice that. Okay, so if you are ready to do that, and it's very important to understand, because if you are not ready to do that, then just skip this video and better save your own time and money, because it's not going to work. Okay, but if you are ready to do that, then simply start putting your effort and get the proper education. Internet is full with that. And I'll show you the sources I have. If you are interested in a starting point, I have these sources for you. Check them out. Maybe you would get connected to them. Maybe not. Maybe I'm not the right person for you to follow. Maybe my language or my accent or the way I describe my chart and using my words in my blog or my community channels are not for you. And that's totally fine. That's more than fine. I can't force myself and my style anyway. But if you don't give it a chance, you never know. So start by exploring as much information as you can and see where you get connected. Again, be aware of scammers. So I want to point you out on some good sources you can start with. This is my blog, VladimirRibakov.com. As you can see here, very simple. Inside that, go to this tab, Forex Education. You can start with the complete Forex dictionary. Then you can start with our Forex for Beginners complete guide. A lot of educational articles, tons of videos, free ebooks with strategies and information, great tools, also free tools. As for the beginning, you don't need, or I would say, don't rush to spend the best of your money on something that you even have no idea how to use, right? Right, great tools, the greatest tools ever exist. In the wrong hands, they would be useless. Do you really want to put your money that you earned before you understand what are you going to do? No, right? So don't rush to spend the best of your money. Start with free stuff and get them as much information as you can. But here is one more thing I want to be completely transparent and honest about with you. Free stuff, don't give them too much how to say it correctly, too much of respect. because free stuff, you cannot become a doctor by reading free books. You cannot become a doctor or a lawyer or anything else. You cannot become a football player even just by watching YouTube or watching soccer games, right? If you don't know how to swim on the real field with other players and under a specific coach and conditions and competition rules, etc., you would never become a player. So free stuff are great, but they're great as starting point. Okay, and it's very important you understand it. Don't rush to put the best of your money on tools. First of all, try to get connected to the person, the mentor, the trader, the character, the personality you find online. And if you do, then dig deeper. It could be me, it could be anyone else, it doesn't matter. That's not the point here. But you have to be connected to the style, to the language, to the simplicity, the transparency, and mainly the support, the communication. Okay, so this is a great place to start with our blog. You can also join also in the blog, you can join our community. We share our trading ideas here. We share a lot of great stuff, videos, education on daily basis. So this channel, you can also, by the way, find it in the blog. Go to any of the articles and you would find our blogger. You can also start by joining our newsletter, which is right here. Okay, and you would get like 15 or 17 different educational video materials. So just start and see if you get connected. Okay, and if you are ready for the next step, and whenever you are ready for the next step and to take it to the real deal of trading, then I invite you to join us, and I'll show you it here, to our club, our trading club, what I call our trading family. That's where I share my real-time trading ideas, all the videos, all the updates, everything happens here real time, but again, only once and if you are ready to do so. Start, and it doesn't matter if it's me or anyone else. Start in the first step. Get to know what and where are you going. In that case, the Forex market or the stocks or cryptos, whatever, right? But start in this very place. Okay, so again, I hope you understand this mistake, and if you are, if you do think you have better solution to how to deal with the lack of effort and time other people put in education, I'll be more than happy if you can share your view in the comment section. And thank you very much in advance. So thanks for watching this video. I hope that hearing these truths would lead you to do the right things. And as always, for any questions or any help, I'm here for you. Don't hesitate to contact me or my team. You can also leave the comment here in the comment section. Ask your question, and I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. Stay safe, be well, and I wish you wonderful trading. Bye for now.